it.
You know what? I was wrong about you. You're not the Donut Lord at all. You're more like the Jerk Lord.
Have you noticed the harpoon stuck in our dash? Sonic!
I was forced from my home. Your home is perfect and you're leaving it. Why would you do that?
Your body!
Oh, no, not again.
Hey, hold on!
Why?
I'm gonna do this. Sonic! Sonic!
Guess I had a bonus life. Oh, yeah, baby. A Sonic 1, a Big Tank 0. I'm sorry. Did we get that on camera?
How are you not dead?
I have no idea. Do you see me dancing?
Yes, I saw you dance.
Is that all you got?
No, but thank you for asking.
Uh-oh.
Sonic! Get back in the truck!
You go. I'll catch up. Ha! I think that tank just had a baby. Incoming!
It's my turn. You just can't run. It's mine.
Hey, stop fighting or I'm taking that thing away.
That's right, Dad.
Where are you going?
Just drive the car. I'll take care of this. And if I don't make it, just ditch me. You seem good at that. Hey everyone, welcome back to my live stream. Today we're destroying robots. Step 1. Yes, we did it! We did not do it. Who is this guy?
Ever wonder where your tax dollars are going?
My turn. Here, just keep us going straight. I put it in cruise control.
I feel just like Vin Diesel. It's all about family, Tom. Quick suggestion, roll up into a ball and smash him with your body.
Whoa! What'd you learn how to drive?
Here, in this truck. It's happening as we speak.
I can't reach it. Bring him in closer.
What?
Bring it in closer. Hit the brakes.
Oh, you mean this one?
The other brakes.
Oh! Give me a big fat break!
Aw, this one is cute. Let's keep him.
Oh, come on!
How can something so adorable be so terrible? You got car insurance, right? Ah! Buzz off. That doesn't sound good.
No, thinking is bad. Get rid of it.
I'm trying.
Throw it out the window. Throw it anywhere.
I can't get it
All
off.
right, I'm pulling over.
Did I get it?
No.
Ah!
Here, hold still.
It's going, it's going. It's still here. Get off me. Ha-ha! Nailed it!
Sonic!
No. Hey, come on, you're all right.